Hey, I got something I'm really excited to share with everybody today. We've been working on this for a long, long time. Some may say 18 years worth of working on it. But we're launching our certified estimating series. Now, you may have seen online some of the material that's in process that will be the second phase of what we've already built by building certified training for each OE. So we're finishing up the Mercedes-Benz series right now for certified estimating. But before you can write particular OEs, there are some basics or some foundations of what you need to know as an estimator. And I don't care whether you've been doing this job for 2 days or 20 years, not everybody got the foundational training even 20 years ago that they need to have today. So the Certified Estimating Series is a little over 200 individual training modules that are available, and we've put that inside our LMS system so that it's trackable. You're not getting a bunch of claims or a bunch of claims. You're not getting a bunch of classes just dumped on you. It's a way to track and manage your own progression. There's testing within the module so you can track your own learning through it. But those, a little over those 200 modules, is $150 for you to complete that training. And I thought that I would take some time to just show you a little bit about what's in there. So there are three large groupings of modules within the training series, and then each of those modules has a bunch of breakout classes. Module one is just going to focus on the basics of communication skills and the professionalism of doing the job as an estimator. A lot of times we think we hire for that what we believe is the technical skill of being able to write an estimate, but that's only about 10% of what an estimator does. So there's a lot to understanding the foundations of what your role is as an estimator, time management, communication skills, critical thinking, and problem solving, which is what an estimator does all day long. Everything that's on fire in the shop generally ends up on the estimator's desk. How to talk to your customers, and then how to talk to your teammates, that workplace communication, because the estimator is also sort of the orchestrator or the master of the three ring circus in a shop and trying to keep everything together. Once you finish module one, we're going to go into module two, and that's when we're going to focus on the insurance and claims world because most of what we do or our success at getting paid has to do with how we navigate the world of insurance claims and the people that are on that side. And it helps if you understand claims and you have sort of a background in what their job is so that you can understand what you need to feed or give. We're going to have some training on insurance basics, what insurance is and isn't, the claims process, how that works, and then how claims communication happens. So if you can understand how adjusters are trained, and then the last module is just that legal compliance. We're going to talk about ethics. We're going to talk about the law, about repair, what the laws are around body shops, what you can and can't do, and then some regulatory compliance for how body shops are regulated and how insurance companies are regulated. So, if we look at what those classes look like, if you've never been in a learning management system or an LMS, the courses really sort of drive you. They'll take you through. Occasionally, there's some little videos that'll give you some little tips and tricks. For this one on email overload, just what are some strategies? We get emails from customers, we get emails from vendors about parts, we get emails from insurance companies. We have all these emails coming in every day, not to mention the phones ringing. And so, how do we handle email effectively? How do we not lose things? How do we make sure that the right documentation makes it in it? So that's just a great course, a great example of what's in there about organization and time management and making sure that you get through your day. But then there's also courses on the technical aspects of writing the estimate, the foundations that you need to know about names and nomenclature and how what vehicles are constructed with and how collision energy works. If you don't understand how energy flows through the vehicle, then you might not understand everywhere that you need to inspect. Why is the vehicle hitting the rear, but I'm looking at the front of the car? What are some of those things? You probably hear me talk and training all the time about understanding the load path. And so there's training that explains load paths, what different material and tensile strength does to that. We really tried to think about approaching it from if you were coming to the industry as an estimator with no background in it. Some of us come to this with that. So this is a phenomenal. I do consider it the foundational training. I think once you really get this information down, as we transition you into the OE specifics, and you may work at a dealership where you're only interested in learning one OE. Or you may be at a generalist shop where you need to learn every OE. But if we're going to transition you into Mercedes or BMW or General Motors specifics for estimating, it's just real important that this sort of base knowledge be there. It really guides everything that we do. My team's worked really hard at putting it together. We've worked really hard at trying to put it together for a price that's manageable for anyone, including if you had to pay out of your pocket, if you were working somewhere that didn't want to pay for it. Being able to upload that plus have new learners into an LMS system so that you have a way of tracking it without having to remember which video you watched last was really important to us. So it's launched, it's on the website. You can get to it in the store. Order, get in there. Melanie will get with you and start your learning path, which is your entry, and then you take the courses in order. There is a certificate at the end. Everybody, some of the estimators that were in it for some of our test pilots were like, we want a certificate. So will give you a certificate at the end. But really excited up for the Certified Estimating series to finally launch. It's now live on the website. Thanks, everybody. Have a great day.